Hello everyone. Today we will solve one more problem in graphical method. Solve the following LPP using graphical method. The given problem is in the form of maximization of z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 subject to the constraints. First constraint 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 2. Second constraint 3x1 plus 4x2 greater than or equal to 12. x1 x2 greater than or equal to 0. This is the given LPP. Now using the first constraint we will find the points. I wrote the first constraint in the equation form. If x1 is equal to 0, you will get x2 value 2. If x2 0, you will get x1 is equal to 1. So that the points we have got 0, 2, 1, 0. Now take the second constraint in the equation form. 3x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 12. If x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 3. If x2 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 4 you will get. Therefore, the points you will get as 0, 3 and 4, 0. Now, we will using these points, we will plot the graph. Now, if you observe, now I wrote x-axis, I took x-axis and y-axis like this. Now, the first point is 0, 2. 0, 2. Here you will get 0, 2. Second point is 1, 0. 1, 0. Join these 2 points with the help of the scale. This is the first constraint. Using the first constraint, we have got the line like this. Now the second point is 0, 3. Using the second constraint 0, 3. Another point is 4, 0. 4, 0. Join these 2 points with the help of the scale. Now the first constraint is, this is the, using the second constraint we have got like this. The first constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. First constraint is having less than or equal to symbol. Therefore the feasible region we will get the feasible region below the line. The feasible region, we will get the feasible region below the line. Below the line means the feasible the region, if the symbol is less than or equal to, we will have the shaded region containing the origin. Now if the constraint is second constraint is having greater than or equal to symbol, if you observe second constraint is having greater than or equal to symbol, so that the shaded region do not contain the origin. Therefore, we have to draw the lines above the line, above the line. Now, that means here the feasible region does not exist. The feasible, we did not get any shaded region having net type of region. Therefore, the following graph has no solution. Such type of graphs are having no solution. There is no common region between the two. Therefore, there is no feasible solution. Therefore, the LPP has no solution. From the above graph, there is no common region between two lines. Hence, there is no feasible region. Therefore, the given LPP has no solution. We'll get the graph like that. There is no common region. There is no netted region. That's why such type of graphs are having no solution. Thank you very much.